Hey everybody, hope you're doing good. Alrighty, well, as you've been watching, I've been taking the boat out a bit and trying to see what I have to do. And I've decided that I'm going to have the diver come. He's actually coming on Monday. He's going to take the prop off. I found a prop place up in Wilmington, North Carolina, where I'm going to take it up and they're going to add some pitch after they do their calculations. And then the diver will put it back on, and hopefully that'll be as good as I need to move forward. So, but one thing happened, and the dockmaster here, because of it's been delayed since we've been getting out because of all the transmission stuff, he had to move us to another slip, and he had to move us like in deeper. And I really wasn't looking forward to doing what I am least able to do with this new ratio until I, get the hang of it better. And that was move the boat even deeper down the slipway. So he popped on board with me and we kind of did it together, but it was a little hairy and I did need his help. So take a look and tell me what you think. Before we could move the boat, we got hit with some real bad weather.
The tornado warnings.
We have some of these more individual cells.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Iowa.
Real bad weather, so we had a little bit of a delay for a day or two. It was really wild out. But things did settle down, and now it was time to move the boat in close quarters. Push that valve to the starboard.
Push this way really hard, and then we're going to let the wind take us there. There you go. Perfect. Reverse. Perfect. Don't give it a whole lot of gas.
I got it.
All right, let's one more time. All right, turn it hard over starboard.
Okay.
Hard over, and don't go in gear yet. Hard over starboard. Okay. Put it in gear. Don't give it a lot of gas. Put it in gear now. Perfect.
Wind's coming this way, so I'll stay there right a little bit.
You kind of stay just like that.
Right.
Perfect. All right, you're in gear now?
No, neutral.
All right, put it in gear. You see, you can't, no, don't go fast. Don't go fast. See, because when you take it out of gear, you lose all control. Don't take it out of gear.
It needs a little power.
Point this way.
Okay.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
We're making 3 knots.
Okay.
So you keep going just like you're going. Keep it in gear. I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
What we're going to do is we're going to kind of just...
You're going to point it that way?
Just that way a little bit.
Right.
And as soon as you get that way, then you're going to put it in reverse. But you got to get past the docks first.
Right, okay.
All right, turn it hard to the starboard a little bit. All right, take it out of here.
Okay, it's neutral?
Yeah. Let it drift. Turn the wheel to the port, put it in reverse. Slow you down. Stop right there. good in the keel.
Yeah.
So slow is the way to go.
Okay.
I mean, because and gear is the way to go, because as soon as you take it out of gear, you lose all control. We got you.
All right, so I turn off the engine.
Yeah, you can.
All right. This is Miles, the dockmaster at Osprey Marina in Socastee, South Carolina. Unlike a lot of dockmasters that we have dealt with, he really knows his stuff, and he always goes above and beyond the call of duty to serve the cruiser. Thanks, Miles. So that's the latest, and waiting for the diver to come in a couple days, and he's going to take the prop off. I'll get it up to the prop shop and evaluate it, and probably needs an inch or two or whatever they calculate in pitch, and then we can move forward. I got a big decision I need to make, which I'll be telling you in the new episode. So stay tuned, and thanks for bearing with us as we deal with real life stuff with the cruising life.